On the playground, at the store, walking on the streets. They creep us out and make us feel sick to our stomachs. I'm talking, of course, about ginger kids. Ginger kids are born with a disease which causes very light skin, red hair, and freckles. This disease is called gingivitis, and it occurs because ginger kids have no souls. Some people have red hair, but not light skin and freckles. These people are called daywalkers. Like vampires, the ginger gene is a curse, and unless we work to rid the earth of that curse, the gingers could envelop our lives in blackness for all time. It is time that we all admit to ourselves that gingers are vile and disgusting.
Empathy is extinct. It is. It's so sad. We live in a world where empathy is like, it's mocked and ridiculed. And being sweet is mocked and ridiculed, you know? And I got this fucking fat fuck in Alaska, who, by the way, I've been helping, like freaking out at me too. I'm like, dude, you're a psycho. You run with information. You put people at risk. Like, dude, slow your roll, dude. And I've helped this guy, and everyone's just gone mad. Everyone's gone mad.
Suicidal. He is not suicidal. He is not suicidal. So, I think he was murdered. I think he was murdered, which actually, I know this sounds really strange. I'm horrified that he was murdered, but I'm actually grateful. I'm very grateful to come to this and to see him say this, because this makes me think that he did get right with the Messiah, that he got right with God, and then the bad guys got him and murdered him. Isaac Kappy, he inspired me. He inspired me last fall to go after these satanic pedophiles. So I do not want to believe. I do not want to believe he committed suicide, and now I do not believe he committed suicide. What I pray for now is that the truth will come to light, that justice will be brought on whoever murdered Isaac Kappy. This is just too much lately. You know, with Timothy Holmseth missing, with now Isaac Kappy dead, it is time for all of this to come to light. It's time for justice to prevail. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Our prayer team today, tonight we prayed for Isaac Kappy's family. And I do believe that that this was a murder. This was a murder, because he very clearly says, in this dark video where he says a lot of dark things about how he did something horrible, he never really says what exactly it was that he did. But he says all these horrible things, and but he clearly says that he's not suicidal. So, yeah, okay. All right, God bless you guys. Shalom. I wanted to make this correction, and I'll post a link to this video below this one. All right, God bless you guys.
Shopping their feet, people sleeping in their shoes. But there's a warning sign on the road ahead. There's a lot of people saying we'd be better dead. Don't feel like Satan, but I am to them. So I try to forget it any way I can. Keep on rocking in the free world. Keep on rocking in the free world. Keep on rocking in the free world. Keep on rocking in the free world.